Hi class, welcome to week 4. For this week's discussion, we had to show how to sort data and filter data and explain why manually sorting and filtering can be more beneficial than using a table. So the first step I'm going to show you is how to sort the data. You're going to select everything. And then I'm going to go to the Home tab and go over to the Sort and Filter. I'm going to click Custom Sort. I am going to sort by product type, alphabetically from A to Z, and then I'm going to hit this little plus button over here, and I'm going to sort the unit price from smallest to largest, and then I'm going to hit OK. So now you'll see that baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, butter are all together. The next step I'm going to show you is how to filter the products. So you're going to select everything again. Scroll back up, and then I'm going to go back to the Home tab and click Sort and Filter. And I'm going to hit the filter button, and now you'll see that product type, product supplier, and unit price have a little triangle that you can click on. So by clicking on this and deselecting select all, you can choose what you want to show on your data set. Once you hit apply filter, everything else will be hidden. So now you'll see that all I have left is baking powder, baking soda, and chocolate chips. In order for you to get everything back, you just hit this little arrow right here again and hit select all and apply the filter. So now you'll see that whatever was hidden has been added back. When it comes to manually sorting and filtering without a table, I found it more beneficial because sometimes tables can be confusing, but when you manually sort and filter data, you'll be able to see what you need or what needs to be changed when needed. So that was this week's assignment. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Thank you.